And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 140 watt max fast charger. This is universal compatibility, so it works with Google phones, Sony phones, Samsungs, Apples. If it's USB-C or USB-A, regular USB, it'll work. Now, can charge up to 8 devices at once, 140 watts, prevents from overcharge and overheat, auto adaptive output power. So what that means is as you can see, you've got a handful of different ports back here. So like C1 or C2 can pull up to 65 watts max if just C1 and C2 are being used. But like if you're using C3 and C4 and a C1, then you might get 65 and then you'll get 20 over here. And if you got something in one of these A ones, that'll take another 18-ish watts. Just depends on how much you're using it and what exactly everything is pulling. A laptop is going to pull 60 to 120 watts of power from this 140 watts, so that wouldn't leave much for your phone compared to if you have a tablet, a watch, earbuds, and a phone charging. They'll all should be able to max out and get around 20 watts of power, which would be plenty. So this is the K44 model. You can see some of the specifications here, and that's their little sticker. Let's open this on up, take a look at it, and I'll kind of show you around. So, nothing else in there. We've got a little user manual, and this really kind of breaks it down, see? So single port max, 65 watts, 20 watts, 20 watts. If they're all being used at once, 45 watts would go to the top one, 20 watts would go to each of the other 3 USB-Cs. So just something to keep in mind. You've got a very nice power cable here. So you just plug this into the back of the device, plug this into the wall, of course, and then, for that, you've got the actual fast charger. So you can see you got the 140W there, so you know your plug goes right in the back here, and you've got another reminder of the outputs and all of that kind of fun stuff, company name and everything. And then on the front, you've got all of your other information. So you can see these two mention 65 watts, and they show the laptops. That way you know, for the most part, most laptops can charge on 65 watts if they're USB-C. Some of the higher end, like MacBook Pros and stuff, can't, but most laptops can, I would say. And then you got these down here. These are 18 watts a piece. So the numbers you're seeing here are individuals, of course. So like if you just plug something into A1, you'll get 18 watts. But if you plug something in up here and down here, you get 65 and 18. But if you plug something here, 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 and here, it's going to split it up a little more. There is a nice little light indicator there. Got the little company logo on the side. But other than that, this is a really sleek way to have something small. As you can see, you've just got your power cable, you've got this, and then you're able to plug in your laptop, you're able to plug in your phone, you're able to plug in your tablet, you're able to plug in your watch, you're able to plug in your headphones and get everything charged at one time. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.